Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0507 signifies an issue with the idle control system in the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. Specifically, it points to the engine's RPM being higher than expected during idle conditions. This can lead to various performance issues, including stalling or excessive fuel consumption, as the engine is unable to maintain a steady idle speed. The primary components involved in this DTC include the Engine Control Module, ECM, the Idle Air Control Valve, IAC, and various vacuum hoses and valves that regulate airflow and pressure. Proper functioning of these components is critical for maintaining the correct idle speed. The problem may arise from vacuum leaks, faulty sensors, or software issues with the ECM. Properly diagnosing this code is essential before any repair or part replacement is initiated. The error code P0507 affects several key components of the idle control system. Firstly, the Engine Control Module, ECM, plays a vital role by processing data from various sensors to adjust the engine speed. The Idle Air Control Valve, IAC, is crucial in managing airflow to maintain a steady idle speed. Additionally, other components such as the PCV valve, intake manifold, and brake booster hose can influence the system by regulating air intake and ensuring no vacuum leaks are present. These components are generally located in the engine compartment. For example, the ECM is mounted in the passenger compartment behind the dashboard, while the IAC is typically found on or near the throttle body. Proper location of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. Several factors can lead to the activation of DTC P0507. One of the most common issues is vacuum leaks, which can occur in various components such as the PCV valve, hoses, or the intake manifold itself. These leaks allow unregulated air into the system, causing an increase in RPM. Another potential cause includes a malfunctioning idle air control, IAC valve, which may not be regulating airflow correctly, thus leading to erratic idle speeds. Software issues within the Engine Control Module, or ECM, can also result in incorrect idle control. It is crucial to systematically identify and address these issues to resolve the error effectively. Each possible cause requires a unique diagnostic approach, resulting in its effective identification and repair. When DTC P0507 is triggered, various symptoms can arise in the vehicle's performance. The most noticeable symptom is an excessively high idle speed, which can lead to a rough engine performance and vibrations while stationary. This condition can contribute to stalling, particularly when the vehicle is coming to a stop or during low-speed maneuvers. Furthermore, drivers may notice poor fuel economy due to the engine continuously running at an elevated RPM, leading to excessive fuel consumption. Observing these symptoms can provide valuable hints towards the underlying issues, allowing for more efficient diagnostics and repairs. Each symptom can affect the overall driving experience and vehicle reliability, emphasizing the necessity of timely troubleshooting. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0507 involves turning the ignition switch to the on position. This enables the onboard diagnostic system to activate and retrieve necessary data. It is also critical to record all freeze data and onboard snapshots at this stage. These provide valuable historical information about the vehicle's performance leading up to the fault. Reviewing general troubleshooting information ensures that the technician is aware of common pitfalls and best practices for the Honda Accord model affected. This foundational step sets the stage for further diagnosis and should not be overlooked, as it provides context for any subsequent actions and checks. For the second troubleshooting step, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the diagnostic trouble code. This allows the system to reset and enables it to reevaluate conditions. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load for a sufficient duration until the radiator fan engages. This ensures that the engine is operating under a controlled environment, allowing for monitoring of sensor outputs. During this process, the technician should monitor the onboard diagnostics, OBD status, for DTC P0507 in the DTCs menu of the HDS. It is crucial to understand whether the system indicates a past status or any other result, as this information will guide subsequent troubleshooting steps. In the third step of troubleshooting, check the result from the HDS regarding DTC P0507. If the HDS indicates a failed status, further investigation is necessary. Conversely, if the HDS reports past or indicates an intermittent failure, this suggests that the system may be functioning correctly at the moment of testing. Continuous monitoring may be needed to ascertain the root cause if the failure is intermittent. Various conditions, such as electrical load or gear position, can affect the results. Thus, it may necessitate additional checks under different loads. This step is crucial to determining whether systems that manage engine speed are operating correctly, allowing for an accurate conclusion to be drawn. The fourth step involves checking for vacuum leaks, an essential factor contributing to P0507. Inspect critical components like the PCV valve, PCV hose, evap canister purge valve, throttle body, and intake manifold thoroughly. Each component plays a vital role in regulating airflow and pressure within the engine. For instance, a damaged PCV valve might cause unmetered air to circumvent the throttle body, leading to an increased idle speed. Similarly, leaks in the brake booster hose can create performance issues. After inspection, if leaks are identified, repair or replace the faulty parts as necessary. This step is significant as it directly impacts engine performance and operation, and it is vital to rectify any leaks prior to further diagnosis or repair. In the fifth troubleshooting step, once vacuum leaks are addressed, turn the ignition switch to the on-to position again. Following this, reset the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, using the HDS. This reset is important for clearing any learned data and ensuring the module works with current conditions. Next, perform the idle learn procedure to allow the ECM, PCM to adjust to the specific airflow and parameters of the vehicle, following the repairs. This step ensures that any adaptations made by the module are appropriate to the current engine condition. It is critical not to skip this step, as failing to reset could lead to continued erratic idling or symptoms associated with DTC P0507. In this sixth step, start the engine once more after performing the idle learn procedure. Hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without load until the radiator fan activates. This action will help assess the behavior of the idle control system again under set conditions. Following this, monitor the onboard diagnostics, OBD status, using the HDS. The aim is to determine whether DTC P0507 is still active or if any new pending or confirmed DTCs have appeared since resetting the ECM-PCM. If P0507 is indicated again, this suggests that the underlying issue may still persist. Conversely, a clear status indicates successful troubleshooting and acknowledgement of the repairs made. As the final troubleshooting step, if DTC P0507 persists, check for poor connectors or loose terminals at the throttle body and ECM/PCM. These connections ensure effective communication between the modules and the engine's components regulating idle speed. If there are any loose or corroded terminals, repair or replace them to restore proper connectivity. Even minor issues with electrical connections can trigger diagnostic trouble codes like P0507. Maintaining clean and secure connections ensures that the idle control system can receive the correct signals. After addressing these points, return to Step 1 to reevaluate the system, ensuring a comprehensive approach to resolving the issues indicated by DTC P0507. To verify that repairs related to DTC P0507 have been successful, first confirm that there are no active diagnostic trouble codes remaining in the system. Next, conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure that the vehicle operates normally. It is essential to monitor the engine idle during the drive. It should remain stable, without oscillation or elevated RPMs. A successful verification means that the previously identified issues have been adequately addressed, leading to expected vehicle performance. If any issues persist, further diagnostics or repeated troubleshooting may be warranted to pinpoint unresolved problems. Final verification is crucial for ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's idle control system. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid future occurrences of DTC P0507 or related error codes. Regularly scheduled system checks should include inspections of critical components, such as the vacuum hoses and the idle air control system. Damaged or aging hoses can lead to leaks that affect idle performance, so early identification through regular inspections will mitigate issues. Additionally, ensuring that the ECM/PCM software is current prevents potential glitches in vehicle operation. Keeping all these components well maintained helps extend the life of the car and fuel efficiency while preventing performance-related troubles. Crucial for long-term reliability, preventive measures support a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the underlying components and causes of DTC P0507 is essential for effective troubleshooting of the Honda Accord from 2008 to 2012. By methodically following each troubleshooting step outlined, technicians can identify and rectify issues related to idle control, vacuum leaks, and software malfunctions. The systematic approach not only assists in addressing the current DTC, but also highlights the importance of preventive maintenance to avoid future problems. By prioritizing regular inspections and staying updated with ECM/PCM software, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Accord operates smoothly and reliably for years to come. Adopting these practices reinforces a solid foundation for maintaining vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!